Hello, my name is Nina Egoswala. I'm a 3L at UDC Law, and I'm originally from New York. The kinds of hands-on learning experiences that I've had at UDC Law include a service learning trip to Tijuana through the Immigration and Human Rights Clinic, where we went to the border to assist people who were seeking asylum in the United States and had cases or hearings coming up before the court. And this was immediately before COVID-19, so some of them were able to go before the court and many of them were not. I would also say that the community service initiatives put on by the different organizations that I've been a part of have also contributed to my experience at UDC, because I've been able to meet some of the most amazing people in the DC community as well as give back.